So here's where my inexperience is getting the best of me. These old chain plates. Now, they're old and rusted, and a bolt is still broken off on the inside that I can't punch out. And you can see how bad this is. It probably needs to be epoxied or even balsa core replaced, but that's gross. And we can't have that with the new rigging coming. So I ran a razor blade around it, trying to cut loose all of the silicone holding it in. I'm taking a hammer, I'm taking a screwdriver, and I'm wedging it in there, prying it down, trying to be soft around the wood. I just texted our buddy Tim, asking him, are you sure it's okay I take these pieces off? The boat's not gonna fall apart if I take these off. And he says, yes, it's okay that I take them off. He's probably laughing. He's probably laughing at all the stupid questions I'm asking him, but that's part of this. It's part of learning, is asking the questions that I don't know. Here, but maybe I should draw a razor blade around it again. Oh no, cardinal rule. Where did I put the razor blade? You gotta remember where you put your razor blades.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, I went above and I hit it with the hammer a little bit, and I got it to drop down fully, so I think it's oh, there it is, it's out. Disgusting, look at this. So, chain plate is out. Looks pretty bad, looks pretty bad. We're gonna need a lot of work here, folks. Yeah, take a look, there it is. Now all I have to do is fight and get that one done on that side. Alright, well the bolt's still stuck. I think that's what's holding up and making it hard, but we're a little bit closer to getting it out. So wish this was a little bit more comfortable. It's a 40-year-old boat. It's been sitting in the desert for 8 years and then 2 years in the water waiting to sell. It's got problems. This is when an experience sucks because you don't know what you're buying. And even though it's the boat we wanted, I don't think we anticipated all of this work to get done to it, because this is a lot more than we bargained for. But makes us better in the long run, because then we understand our boat better and we know how to fix it. So it is that bolt that's holding that chain plate up. I can see it from here as I'm hitting it down. It's all cracked and broken and rotted out around the bolt, so I'm trying not to spider it and crack it even more. So I fly out tomorrow to film another episode, and I gotta get these chain plates done because the rigging is supposed to be put in before I get back. I got about 2 more hours to get this finished, and then I gotta get back home. So let's hope I can get this done.
3, 4.
Got both chain plates out, but not before the battery in the camera died. So this right here, this is a voiceover. I mean, it's a beautiful view, but we bit off more than we can chew, that's for sure. Thank God for friends helping us out, because we'd be really screwed without them. So